What if you could launch a business in 2025 that runs on autopilot, making money 24/7 while AI does most of the work? The rise of AI agents is not just a trend, it's a revolution. Those who act now will dominate the future of business. In this video, I'm going to reveal 5 powerful AI business ideas that can make you rich fast. Stay until the end because the last idea could be the most profitable one yet. Let's get started. AI chatbots, the 24/7 sales machine. Businesses lose millions every year because they can't respond to customers fast enough. What if you could sell them an AI-powered assistant that never sleeps, never takes breaks, and closes deals instantly? AI chatbots are replacing human support teams in real estate, e-commerce, and healthcare. Platforms like ChatGPT API and ManyChat allow you to build and customize AI chatbots for companies. The best part? Once you set it up, you can charge businesses monthly fees for ongoing service. This means passive income month after month with minimal effort. Imagine a real estate agency that gets hundreds of inquiries daily but can't respond fast enough. An AI chatbot can handle all the questions, schedule property viewings, and even qualify leads automatically. Businesses are already paying thousands to implement AI solutions, and this demand will only grow. By positioning yourself as an AI chatbot expert now, you can create a steady and scalable income stream. Even better, you can offer tiered pricing, basic chatbot setups for small businesses, and premium AI integrations for enterprises. Many companies will pay extra for chatbots that integrate with CRMs, email automation, and advanced analytics. The more features you offer, the more you can charge, making this a highly lucrative business opportunity. With the right strategy, you could even build a chatbot SaaS platform and scale your income exponentially. AI content generation, the money-making content factory. Content is king, but creating it takes time. What if you could produce endless blogs, ads, and even YouTube videos in seconds and get paid for it? AI-powered tools like ChatGPT, Midjourney, and Synthesia allow you to generate written content, images, and videos instantly. Businesses, influencers, and marketing agencies are desperate for fresh content, and they'll pay handsomely for it. Launch an AI-powered content agency and charge clients per project or on a monthly retainer. With the right system, you can make thousands while AI does most of the work. Think about it. Companies need hundreds of blog posts, social media ads, and product descriptions every month. Instead of hiring a full team, they would rather pay for an AI-powered solution that delivers faster and cheaper. You can automate the entire content process and even use AI to rewrite and repurpose existing content. This is the future of digital marketing, and you can profit big if you start now. Many people want to publish content, but don't have the time or skills to do it themselves. By offering AI-powered content services, you can tap into multiple industries and create diverse income streams. The more you automate, the more scalable your business becomes, allowing you to serve more clients with minimal effort. AI-powered e-commerce, automate, and dominate. Running an online store is exhausting. Customer support, product descriptions, and marketing take up time. What if AI could handle everything while you focus on making money? AI agents can automate dropshipping stores by generating product descriptions, answering customer questions, and even handling returns. Tools like Shopify's AI assistants and ChatGPT-based automation make it easy to run a store with minimal human input. The secret? Set up multiple AI-powered stores and watch the passive income roll in. This is the future of e-commerce, and those who act now will dominate. Instead of manually writing product descriptions, AI can generate thousands in seconds, saving time and improving SEO rankings. AI-powered chatbots can guide customers through the buying process, increasing sales conversion rates. The best part? You can scale multiple stores without hiring a huge team, making this an extremely profitable and automated business model. AI can also optimize pricing based on demand, suggest upsells, and personalize recommendations for every customer. By leveraging AI-powered marketing tools, you can drastically cut advertising costs while boosting profits. This means more sales, higher margins, and a business that practically runs itself. If you combine AI automation with influencer partnerships, you can create a wildly successful brand with minimal hands-on work. AI trading bots, making money while you sleep. Investing is risky, but AI doesn't sleep, panic, or make emotional decisions. What if you could use AI to trade stocks and crypto for you, turning a small investment into a fortune? AI trading bots analyze the market, detect trends, and execute trades automatically. Many traders struggle to set up AI trading systems, but you can offer AI trading bot services or even sell pre-configured bots to investors. With a subscription model, this can become a high-income business with little effort. AI is already taking over the financial world. Why not profit from it? AI bots can process massive amounts of financial data in real time, predicting price movements faster than any human. This gives traders a huge advantage, making AI trading one of the most in-demand services in the financial space. By offering AI trading solutions, you're tapping into a market where people are willing to invest thousands for an edge. With AI-driven trading, even beginners can achieve consistent profits without spending years learning complex strategies. The best part? AI bots can be customized for different trading strategies. Long-term investing, day trading, or even high-frequency trading. Some platforms allow you to build AI bots without coding, making it easier than ever to enter this space. With the right AI trading business, you can generate continuous revenue while AI handles the hard work. If you scale this into a subscription-based AI trading platform, you can create an automated cash machine that grows every month. AI-driven marketing agencies, the next billion-dollar industry. Every business needs marketing, but traditional agencies charge a fortune. What if you could deliver better results with AI and charge a fraction of the price? AI-driven marketing agencies use tools like Jasper AI for ad copy, Surfer SEO for search optimization, and ChatGPT for automated customer engagement. By offering AI-powered ad campaigns, SEO services, and chatbot automation, you can help businesses scale while earning thousands per client. The demand for AI-driven marketing is exploding, and those who move fast will build a 6- or 7-figure empire. Small business owners struggle with marketing because they don't have the time or expertise to run effective campaigns. AI can analyze competitors, generate high-converting ads, and optimize content automatically, giving businesses a major advantage. This is an opportunity to offer AI marketing solutions to companies that desperately need them, making it a highly profitable and scalable business. With AI, even a one-person agency can outperform large teams by automating most of the work. You can start by offering AI-generated ad copy and gradually expand into AI-powered lead generation, video ads, and automated email campaigns. Businesses are willing to pay top dollar for results, and AI delivers them faster and more efficiently. With the right strategy, an AI-driven marketing agency can become $1 million business in just a few years. If you package these services into an AI-powered SaaS platform, you can build a business that runs on autopilot while generating recurring revenue. The AI revolution isn't coming, it's already here. The question is, will you take action or watch others get rich? Choose one of these AI business ideas and start now. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more powerful insights. See you in the next one.